This is a super easy and inexpensive recipe for homemade laundry detergent, and this lasts our family of 5 about a year. I am using homemade cold process soap using 0 to 1% superfat. This is one that I made myself. You can grate it with an attachment for a KitchenAid, or you can use a cheese grater, but you do want it done finely, and using the KitchenAid attachment is very, very fast. So these ingredients, like I said, can be purchased and they're very inexpensive. The baking soda I actually used to get at an Aldi store because it's cheaper there, but sometimes you can get bulk prices online for an inexpensive price. So what you're going to do is gather all your ingredients in a large tub, and if you want to do it outside, depending on the weather, you can. You want to try to make sure that you're not making a lot of dust because it does get into the air. So either do it outside or make sure you're pouring low and mixing low so you're not getting all that into the air. So what I do is I just mix everything into a big tub, all the ingredients that I had listed before, and then I use my hands to mix everything together. If you have sensitive skin and want to use gloves, you can definitely do that, or just wash your hands afterwards, whatever works best for you. So you want to mix it up really, really well. And then what I do is I use the tubs that the OxyClean came in, and I store them in those tubs. Sometimes I'll put them in a bag, and that's where I store them for the entire year. You'll want to use about 2 tablespoons per load when you are doing your laundry, and I've been using this recipe for well over 10 years and I haven't had any issues with anything, and it cleans wonderfully. I use a vinegar rinse instead of using any type of fabric softener. I use vinegar for that. Now, some recipes you'll see that there's Purex beads. You can do that. I don't use that anymore because I don't think it's necessary, but I do use the containers to hold them in. So what I'll do, like I said, is I use the bigger containers to hold the bulk of the soap, the detergent, and then I'll put it in the smaller containers to use and then fill them up as needed. So it's a super easy recipe. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care and have a wonderful day.